Mechanical keyboards. Mechanical keyboards. Did you hear that? I said mechanical keyboards. A lot of people think regular keyboards are enough. I think not. Mechanical is the way to go for gaming and pretty much everything else. If you want the best performance, buy a mechanical. They may be expensive, but they're worth it. Come on, just listen to me. Mechanical is the way to go. Better than the rubber membranes. Just listen to me. Mechanical is the way to go. If you don't buy it, you will be sorry. So buy it now. Buy it now. It's a mechanical keyboard. They make a clicky sound. Mechanical keyboard. I don't even know what else to say. All I know is that they're a mechanical keyboard, make a clicky sound. That's all you need to know if you want to buy one. Buy a mechanical keyboard. Buy a mechanical keyboard. Buy a mechanical keyboard. Buy one today. Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical. Mechanical. Mechanical keyboard.